Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fatah and today I'll be making some pancakes and let me show you how I'm going to mix them together. Here are my ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and some strawberry and blueberry, and the syrup for the pancake. It's a strawberry syrup. Too much of strawberries is good. So I'm going to mix the baking powder and the flour and the salt. Mix them together. And I'm going to add some sugar. Mix them again, stir them well. And I'll add my eggs and milk. Now it's time to whisk them. Mix them together. You mix it well until you get the texture you want. And now it's okay. You see, that's the texture we were looking for. And now let's make some pancakes. And let's make the pancakes. When you see the small bubbles is the time you flip the pancake. And it's ready. It's time to put it in the plate. Now let's wait for the bottom side to cook and then flip it. Once you see those small bubbles, is the time you flip your pancake. That's the time you flip it. And this is my last pancake. Let's wait for the bottom side to cook, and then when it starts forming the bubbles, we flip it and we are good to go. We are good to dig in. It has started the bubbles. Now let's flip it. Last one, you see how it has turned both sides. I'm done with cooking, and pancakes are one of the easiest recipes, and now this is how it has turned out, my pancakes. I'm going to garnish them with strawberry, grapes and blueberry, and my strawberry syrup. So this is how I'm going to do it. Pancakes. And let me put on the other side the strawberries. I'm going to put the strawberry on top, and then this one on this side, and the other one on this other side. And some berries, blueberries on this side. On the empty sides. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Until my next video, bye bye and thanks for watching.